Alden, it's your day. Yan ay the story ng Pink Cup Coffee. Bumisita si Alden dyan dahil soft opening ng coffee shop. Siyempre, coffee lover si Alden. Kaya hindi siya magpapahuli pagdating sa kape. Ang kulang ang araw ni Alden pag walang coffee. Yun o. And hashtag for today, ang pulang araw, final face off nila Eduardo de la Cruz at Yuta Saito. Sino mananaig? And, last 2 days na yan. Pagtatapos ng pulang araw, yan yung behind the scene, fight scene ni Eduardo de la Cruz at Yuta Saito, Allen Richards, and Dennis Trillo.
Yung breakdown scene ni Eduardo when he learned about Teresita being kidnapped by the Japanese. Parang yun yung isa sa mga pinaka-challenging scenes.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.